Today I'm going to teach you one of life's and baking's great skills, making chocolate bread. Let's get started. I've already measured my 600 grams of bread flour into my mixing bowl. To turn this into a chocolate dough, all it simply takes is the addition of Dutch processed cocoa. I'm adding 30 grams. Now it's time for the yeast. You want to add 10 grams. And this is instant dry yeast. You don't need to dissolve it before you add it to your dough. To give your bread dough a nice tender texture and a very thin crust, adding dairy helps. We're going to use whole milk powder, just like the cocoa powder, 30 grams. Now I'll add a touch of sugar to actually give the yeast something to feed on. And I'm adding salt. Salt slows fermentation. In close contact with dissolved yeast, it can actually kill it. So add it to the opposite side of the bowl as the yeast. Now for the liquids, my water, a little bit of oil. Using oil makes for a flexible, tasty, and also a rich dough. And then the last ingredient, a single egg. Start on low speed to combine all the ingredients. Then you can increase the speed and you'll know when your dough is ready because it'll clean the sides of the bowl. This is where you get to really have fun. You're gonna get it in there with your hands and shape your dough before you let it rise. What you wanna do is flatten it out and then kind of tuck it all in, spin the dough around. And I'm pushing up one side, pulling down with the other. This is called bouling, creating a ball shape. I'm going to let these rest for 20 minutes. Now it's time to shape the dough. Let's start off by making a braid. Create 2 ropes. Try not to let it tear because those markings will show up once the dough is baked. Now you simply cross over each piece of bread. Alternate sides and tuck in the end pieces. And there you go, a gorgeous braided loaf. These rest for another 20 minutes. Here are my breads after proofing. You'll see it has grown. To add shine and promote even browning to your bread, you want to add an egg wash. Bread loves a hot oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The bake time will depend whether you're making a small bun or a full, beautiful braided bread like this. All right, from the oven, look at how that bread grows. Oh, you gotta love yeast. While it's hot, if you hear a hollow sound, that means your bread is nice and light and airy. Once you've given it a chance to cool, then it's ready to slice into. Look at that beautiful swirl of the chocolate with the white dough. And there you have it, pillowy, delicious chocolate bread.